Here's a good one: flood insurance. Some properties are located close to water sources, streams, rivers, lakes. Depending on how close they are and the elevation, a lender may require flood insurance. How we establish this is with a process called a flood certification. We use a surveyor to come up with an elevation certificate to tell the distance and elevation above that water source. That puts the property into a category. Those categories then determine what the rate per $1,000 value is for flood insurance. Now, don't be afraid of it. Flood insurance could be $20 a month. It also could be hundreds of dollars a month. What we do is we go back to that elevation certificate. That is the determining factor. Ask me more if this is a concern.